Whether freestanding or integrated, tumble dryers come in a standard height of 82 to 85 centimetres with a 60 centimetre width. The only measurement you'll always need to check will be the depth, as these can vary quite a bit, between 45 and 60 centimetres on an integrated model and 45 to 70 centimetres on a freestanding model. You'll also need to leave enough room for piping at the back. That's around 7 centimetres for a freestanding model and 3 centimetres for integrated. If you're replacing old for new, measure the dimensions of your old tumble dryer, as you know that's a perfect fit. If you're getting an integrated tumble dryer, measure the inside of the cupboard. When measuring your space, start in front of plugs or pipes instead of measuring from the wall. Check the product page for the dimensions of each model. The door isn't included in any measurements, so remember to factor this in.